Hello everyone, my name is Junior and I enjoy creating drawing tutorials and how to draw videos. I love drawing realistic features, especially realistic faces on this channel. I share my drawing tutorials and tips for anyone who wants to start drawing. Hope my videos will be helpful for you, and if you have any question, you can write it in the comments below, and if I find it, I will answer you. So in today's video, we are going to draw a realistic face of Khaby Lame. So if you are new to my YouTube channel, I insist you to click on the subscribe button for more drawing tutorials like this one. So keep watching. So we are going to start with the eye. Draw the eye. Draw it very well, step by step. No panicking. Draw it. After, we are going to put that black part of the eye, draw it, and we add the light in the eye, the shape of the light. After, we are going to shade the eye, shade the eye, shade it black. If you have pencil color, if you have a pencil, you can shade it black. Keep shading. Shade, but don't touch the shape of the light in the eye. Keep the shape and shade very well. Make sure I don't touch the shape of the light in the eye. Those circles are the light in the eye. Don't shade them. You can shade it black as charcoal. Shade it. Shade. Keep shading until it is good. Draw the eye, that upper part of the eye and the downer part. Draw it very well. You can draw the head to easily see the skin, the shape of the head. You can draw it. The ears and the hair, shape of the hair. I think you're seeing the photo in the corner. draw it very well. The ears. Draw the right ear very well. You can draw the left ear very well. Go down. Make sure that the drawing is perfect. If you have made a mistake, you can use an eraser to rub. Can go down. Make it perfect. Make it perfect for sight. Draw the other eye. Now the shape is coming, the head. Draw the black part of the eye, and also add the light in the eye. That light in the eye, it is the one that makes the eye realistic. If you don't have that light, know that your eye isn't realistic. Shade it. Shade the eye. Make sure that it is perfect. As you see, I've finished the eye. I'm on the nose. Draw the nose. Shade inside the nose. Hope you all enjoy the drawing, and if you are new to my YouTube channel, I insist you to click on the subscribe button for more drawing tutorials like this one. So let us meet in the next video. Bye bye.